In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who shared my post on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Within the settings, tap on Settings again. Keep scrolling until you find Preferences. Tap on Notifications in the Preferences section. Make sure to turn off Mute Push Notifications here. As you can see, I have push notifications turned on. Now go to More Activity About You and allow notifications for Facebook. Now, you'll get notifications when someone shares your Facebook post. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.